Hi, this is Dr. Jason Watson with Active Health and Wellness in Boise, Idaho. Today's topic is going to be to discuss water, the second basic requirement for health. And the reason this topic is important is because the majority of patients we see in our office are dehydrated. In fact, the majority of the population is dehydrated, yet everybody knows they're supposed to drink water. So why is that? The first reason is the most obvious, and that's because people don't drink enough water, even though they know they should. A second reason is because many of the population do diuretics, whether it's coffee and soda or prescription diuretics, and so you kind of have to take that in consideration, meaning if you're doing a 1 cup of coffee, let's say, and you're drinking 1 cup of water, they kind of cancel each other out. And so your hydration factor is not getting better. So, and then the third reason the majority of people are dehydrated is because they're mineral deficient. We do a test in our office where it's an actual scan on the patient, where we can not only see how much total body water you have, but we can see how much water is inside your cells versus outside your cell. So they call it intracellular versus extracellular concentration. And the reason that's important is because your body's basically a mass of cells, and how you get nutrition in your body and in your cells is across the cell membrane. So it affects how well things are uptake. So when you're taking supplements and eating food, are you absorbing those nutrients, as well as how well you're getting rid of toxins. And so if that ratio is out of balance, which we'll see in a lot of patients who are mineral deficient, and we can see that through a different test we do, which is a hair analysis, and we can actually see what minerals you're deficient in, as well as what heavy metals you're toxic in. And those go hand in hand, because if you're deficient in minerals, the minerals are required to bind to the heavy metals so your body can try and get them out of you. And so basically the more toxic you are, the more deficient you are at the same time. And we need to reverse that, have you less toxic and not deficient in the basic nutrients required for health. One other topic on water I just want to mention, and most people know this, however, some patients we see have not heard this, and you definitely do not want to drink distilled water. And the reason is because distilled water is stripped of the minerals. And so what happens is your body's always trying to balance things. And so if you intake something that is stripped of minerals, it is going to take your own body's reserve, and pull it out of you. And so it'll actually make you more dehydrated, even though you think you're hydrating yourself. Similar effect happens, let's say, when you drink a soda. A soda is super acidic, and so your body will take its minerals from your bone to base out that chemistry, so to limit the harm that the soda is doing on you. So if you drink those kind of beverages, then you're going to be more mineral deficient. And so when you actually drink water, spring water, let's say, that is good for you, will your body know what to do with it, because you're so far out of balance? So I hope that helps you, and look forward to doing further talks, and we're going to hit the next 2 basic requirements, oxygen and nerve supply, in my next couple videos. Hope you have good health and have a great day. Thanks.